Hey everybody! Okay, I'm gonna show you a fast version or the version that I've been making a balloon bat that I already have it on my YouTube channel as a tutorial, and it's a 3 balloon design, so this is perfect for line twisting. That's what I think. And it can be any color, so I'm gonna play with these 2 balloons. This is candy cotton or cotton candy, and inflated approximately 6 finger tall. Okay, so you're gonna start, and this is what I like, because you play and twist pretty much at the same time 2 balloons to 60. You tie it together, and then you create a loop that is approximately 4 or 5 finger loop, but at the same time. And in some way, right, we're saving time. What do you think? Don't you think we're saving time? Then from here, you're gonna measure something like a 5 finger long, and make sure your hair is not attaching there. And then you're gonna make something like, let me see, an inch, but double, you see? So 3 finger, double pinch twist. That's the idea. 3 finger double pinch twist, and so each pinch twist is gonna be to the side. You see, you're gonna put the balloon like this, and then this one like here, and then this one like this. But it's okay if things move, because there's gonna be more twisting, more bubbles to make. Okay, so now it's like you just create a big loop to represent the wings for this bat, and you can squish and stretch if you want, and something as long as, let me show you, let me see, you're gonna have something like this, that is a loop like 1 2 3 4 plus 2, something like, what is that, 18 finger long, between 18 to 20 finger long, and repeat the same idea the other side. Okay, the same size if it's possible. So you're gonna end up with something like this. Now finally, when you have these 2 X's, one is gonna be around for the mouth and the other one is gonna be over, and that makes this design even better. So now you grab a 5-inch round, tied it, soft and squishable, something like it fits smaller than the palm of your hand. And the idea is to split it in half. That's why you want it to be soft and squishable. So this is the regular eyeballs, but make sure this tip of the 5-inch round, and it can be any color, yellow, orange, green, or white, and you attach it right here. Look, in here, so that's what I'm doing. Now, I love this technique, this design. It's now one of my favorites to make for line twisting. So any of these, you're gonna grab it, squish, stretch, and just pass it, you see, like this. So creates, look, the eyes, a little bit of separation, and a cool style. With the rest, you just pass it around. Okay, just pass it around. And then here, what you need to do, this is the back what you're looking at. You just need to make a little bubble, so a little bubble, and then squish, stretch. You want to make a bubble pinch twist then. A little bubble and a bubble pinch twist, and then you just squish and stretch, because you want enough for this balloon to go all the way through here. Pass it around, so that's gonna be representing the mouth, and then attach it to this little pinch twist we create. In a moment, don't worry, it doesn't look like a bat, it looks horrible, Cecilia. You can fix it in a moment, but right now first, have it ready, accommodate now the way you want it to be looking, and now you can have each of the sides for what the wings you want it to be, just bend it, pinch, twist, so then it's gonna create a shape for wings, the same the other side, and you're gonna have something like this, that it can be a bracelet, or just have it, this is the representation of a cute fast bat. Sharpie time is gonna help. Yes, the Sharpie time, make sure you have a black Sharpie, or, well, whatever you have with you, but black always is better. Let's see, I hope it works, because I'm like excited, and I don't have things ready, my goodness. Just a big circle, something like this, and then 2 small circles. The rest, you cover it, so it's gonna be much easier. You can make it with some eyelashes, and repeat the same idea. And then you just, well, you can always make it better, right? Like, better than me. Please do it better. Now, here's just 2 dots representing the nose. This is easy. And then here, maybe 2 teeth. You can color it with white if you have your white, and if you have a wristband or a ponytail, hair tie, that can be great. I don't have it right now with me, of course not, because I'm not ready. You can add stickers, but this is the main idea of a very cute, fast way how to make a bat. Tell me in the comments what do you think. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Awesome. I'm gonna make it in Spanish now. Ciao.